Hey guys, today we've got a very exciting laptop for you guys to check out. This is the Lenovo Legion 5i, meaning it's the Intel based variant. So let's just go ahead, unbox it and see what it is you get inside the box when you buy it. So it's actually pretty hefty packaging. For the environmentally conscious, of course, not all that great, but you know, whatever. So okay. Now the Legion 5i comes in multiple variants. It's got Intel's Core i5, Intel's Core i7 processors. So you've got a bunch of those. But for now, let's just take the laptop out. This cover is really nice. Like, you could probably just keep it, and if you want to ferry the laptop around in your backpack, you could use that. This little protective thing is also really nice. Great for shipping. Other than that, you have the power cord and a 170 watt adapter. So let's just get this out of the way and take a look at the laptop itself. Now the ports are still at the back, which is actually pretty helpful because you no longer have stuff sticking out of the side. So if you like this arrangement, you'll be happy that the new Legions continue to have this sort of a placement. And then on the inside you still get, you know, a laptop which with a display that can bend all the way flat. You get a new webcam privacy protection system over here, so there's a physical shutter that will close the webcam, so you don't have to worry about anything on the software side. And as you can see, this is powered by the Intel Core i7 processor and an NVIDIA GPU. So that's just a quick look at the Legion 5i. And in terms of what you get in the box when you buy this machine, this is pretty much it. You have a cord to plug the power adapter into the wall, you have the 170 watt power adapter itself, and then you have the laptop, and that's pretty much it. There's no case, there's no sleeve, nothing of that sort in the box. So hopefully you guys have found this video informative, and as for me, I will see you in the next one.